How to fix peek-a-peek not working on Snapchat. The peek-a-peek feature on Snapchat is the new addition to the platform aimed at enhancing the user experience by allowing users to preview certain content before fully opening it. So, let me show you why the peek-a-peek feature is not working on your Snapchat. The first thing is open Snapchat and then log into your Snapchat account. And then tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then here you can see the option of Snapchat Plus. Open it, and when you scroll all the way down, you will see Peek a Peek with two eye icon. So it has been shown here. See when a friend half swipes into a chat. So if someone half swipes into a chat, then this notifies a Peek. So if this feature is not working on Snapchat, that means might be you are not a Snapchat Plus subscribers. So if you are not a Snapchat Plus subscriber, then you will not be able to use this feature. So this might be one of the most important thing. For that, you can easily tap on the next button and easily become the Snapchat Plus subscribers on Snapchat. So another way is even if you are the Snapchat Plus subscriber and if it is not working, then you have to go to settings, then scroll down and then go to apps. Select the app management from the top of the screen and search for Snapchat on the search bar. Open the Snapchat app and then tap on storage uses and clear all the cache of Snapchat. So clearing cache might be simple, but it will help to get rid of different kind of bugs and glitches occurring on Snapchat. Doing so will fix your peek-a-peek feature not working on Snapchat. If it is not yet fixed, then you have to tap and hold the Snapchat app and tap on this install button and install it. Once installed, go to Play Store or App Store and reinstall the app. Once done, your peek-a-peek feature will start working, but you must be the Snapchat Plus subscribers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thanks and see you in the next video.